Before logos existed, humans still needed symbols to identify allies, to display rank, to express grief, to communicate belonging, and sometimes, a single band of fabric was enough. The armband emerged from this need, not as decoration, but as visual language. Because clothing was never just clothing, the human brain processes visible symbols rapidly, especially symbols placed close to movement. The arm constantly enters visual attention during interaction. An armband transforms motion into communication. Every gesture reinforces the symbol attached to the body. Historically, armbands appeared across military systems, ceremonial traditions, and social organizations. Soldiers used them to display rank, division, or allegiance. Mourning bands represented grief publicly without words. Resistance groups used armbands for recognition during conflict and revolution. The object became powerful because of its simplicity. Small, visible, immediate. Psychologically, humans respond strongly to repetitive visual markers. Symbols reduce uncertainty. They organize social environments quickly. An armband tells observers who belongs, who leads, who represents authority. This explains why captain armbands in sports feel emotionally significant. A simple piece of fabric transforms one player into symbolic leadership. The object changes perception instantly. Even posture shifts around visible symbols of responsibility. The wearer becomes more conscious of behavior, more aware of representation, more connected to collective identity. Cinema amplified this symbolism dramatically. Characters wearing armbands often appear linked to resistance, discipline, leadership, memory, political identity. The object creates emotional intensity through minimal design. Unlike elaborate uniforms, the armband isolates meaning into a single visual point. Fashion eventually absorbed this symbolic power. Minimal accessories inspired by military and athletic systems entered streetwear and luxury aesthetics. Monochrome bands, technical straps, industrial detailing. The visual language of identification became fashionable. Because modern culture increasingly values symbolic identity, people seek visible markers of belonging, of ideology, of personal narrative. The armband satisfies that instinct through extreme simplicity, a single shape carrying social meaning. And perhaps that explains why armbands remain emotionally powerful across generations. Because beneath the fabric and stitching, the object represents something ancient. The human desire to be recognized, to belong to something larger than the individual self, to communicate meaning instantly without speaking. A quiet symbol wrapped around movement itself, visible in every gesture, every action, every raised arm against the world.